Yo, we at the block party, the Demolition block party in Rock Hill, South Carolina. I'm getting ready to hit the stage. It's been a minute, but it's just like riding a bike, man. It ain't no thing but a chicken wing on a string, baby. My people that's been rocking with me since forever. I'm excited, I know they is too. We about to get it in.
The next act that I'm have the privilege to bring to the stage is from right here in Rock Hill, South Carolina, about a mile that way. He is a two-time award-winning gospel artist. Y'all put your hands together for Mr. Darkeye.
Make some noise, y'all. You ready to have a good time? I say y'all ready to have a good time? I'm gonna do a couple of songs for y'all, but before I do that, I want to let y'all know I got a podcast out here that's doing really well. I want y'all to check out my podcast. I see some people already know about the podcast. And I'm on Praise 100.9 Charlotte's Inspiration Station every Saturday, spotlighting gospel artists and Christian rappers. So there's your opportunity to get with me. Anybody that want to get on the radio, I'm your connect now, I'm your blood. Let's go, man. This right here is a song I dropped almost 10 years ago. This is for my believers. If you believers, this for y'all, let's go. Turn it up. Hey. Let me get some more volume. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Put your hands up. Where my believers? Let's go. Hey, get your hands in the air. If you a believer, let me hear you say it. I'm a believer. Get your hands in the air. If you a believer, let me hear you say it. Yeah, hey, I represent the struggle in the dream, homie. No books in the road gon' slow me down and make me lose control. I hold my own with the help of the Lord. I'm in my zone, blessing these microphones. Goosebumps and chills to your bones. Feeling good like Nina Simone. Keep them coming back for more, for more, for more. Cause I got everything you need and nothing you don't. Tell me what you want, supply and demand. We're plans to fly as high as I can. Spreading my wings, and the breath of God is the wind beneath. So ain't nobody bringing me down. I know you understand what I'm saying. So get rid of that frown. Denial is that place we go to on purpose. Instead of embracing the gift that's in us, your season is coming. Get your hands up if you a believer. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, come back and do it again. Let's do it. Let's do it. Come back and do it again. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's go. I don't think you understand. This right here is not my plan. I'ma win. Come back and do it again. Let's do it. Come back and do it again. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Through the trials and tribulations, hard times and complications. When they said that I should, said that I couldn't, said that I wouldn't make it. Not only am I gonna make it, I'm gonna turn right around and repeat it. Just in case you miss it, pay attention, need a little more convincing. My God, he keep his promise. That means victory is in us. And if you need me to be a little more specific, what's in us is Jesus. Bless be the ones who trust him. That means nothing can stop us, not even death. Nothing can stop us. They like what's his problem? What's up with that Jesus talk? But she ain't had no problem with it. But Kanye gave Jesus wrong. Hey, I don't know what you was told, but I don't know what you was told. But you ain't gotta pay for your sins. Jesus paid the cost. I don't think you understand. That's the reason I'ma win. Let's do it. 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 Let's go. I don't think you understand. This right here is not my plan. That's the reason I'ma win. Come back and do it again. Let's do it. Let's do it. Come back and do it again. One more time, all my believers. Get your hands in the air. Let's go. Get your hands in the air. If you a believer, let me hear you say, I'm a believer. Get your hands in the air. If you a believer, let me hear you say, I'm a believer. Say, I'm a believer. I'm a believer. I'm a believer. One more time. I'm a believer. Yes, sir, right here. We believers because we belong to the King. King Jesus. If you love God, and you know who you belong to, this for you. Yes, sir. Say we are a chosen generation. A royal priesthood. A holy nation. His own special people. Paul's past forgiven, the definition of grace. Went from a murderer to evangelizing his faith. No longer prisoners being indicted by mistakes. You're free to be whoever you want. Go ahead and fill in the blank. Now rise, live. The first voice we heard was his. Yeah, the great I am. Made in his image, we were saved to become servants of his purpose. We leaders of the new school. If we ain't doing what we should, we can't expect them to. The Lord, he set the example. Preach and teach for every one of our battles. So we not in this alone. He's present when we come together. The reason we remain strong. Yeah, to him I belong. I'm in his hands, so if I happen to fall, I know where I'm a land. We are. Yes, sir. We belong to you. We are yours. Yes, sir. We belong to you. Say we are a chosen generation, a royal priesthood, a holy nation. His own. Who I used to be, I'm no longer him, so it don't surprise me. You don't recognize me. This ain't something that you used to. These days I'm looking more like my future. I came into this world on humble beginnings. Never knew the life that I would end up eventually living. Spent years of soul searching. Everything I tried went to the left, homie, this ain't working. Gotta do something different, something's pulling me in another direction. So I guess it's deuces, you ain't understanding, feeling abandoned, but I gotta do this. Put aside my preference for his purpose. His will over my wings, now everything's working. Now picture that, it was dead simple. All I had to do was give him my life to make it all right. Yes. To him I belong, I'm in his hands, so if I happen to fall, I know where I'm a land. We are yours. We are yours. We belong to you, a chosen generation. A holy nation. His own special people. Hallelujah, Jesus. Hallelujah, Jesus. Hallelujah, Jesus. I don't know how much time I got left, but I'm going to give it to him. Thank you. God bless you.
Y'all make some noise for Mr. Darkeye.
That's how we do it, baby. That's how we do it. We leave it all on the stage.